To enable Autopilot on your Tesla Model 3, first ensure your vehicle has the latest software. Access the Software Update option on the touchscreen via the menu. Once updated, navigate to Controls, then Autopilot. Toggle the Autopilot option to On. This activates basic features like traffic-aware cruise control and auto steer. Remember, Autopilot requires your full attention and supervision at all times. It's a driver assistance system, not a replacement for a driver. As of 2026, Tesla's Autopilot integrates the V12 software stack. This major update enhances AI processing and decision-making capabilities. The V12 update significantly improves handling in complex driving scenarios. This includes smoother navigation through roundabouts, safer unprotected left turns, and better responses to pedestrian interactions. These enhancements reduce the need for driver interventions by up to 40% compared to previous versions. Basic Autopilot features are included with the vehicle. Traffic-aware cruise control automatically adjusts your speed to maintain a safe following distance from the vehicle ahead. Auto steer assists with steering to help you stay centered within clearly marked lanes. For more advanced capabilities, such as driving in city streets with traffic lights and complex intersections, consider subscribing to the full self-driving package. Basic Autopilot features are included with your vehicle, but FSD is available as a subscription at $199 per month or $99 per month if you have Tesla insurance. Proper camera calibration is crucial for Autopilot's functionality. If sensors are misaligned, perhaps after a repair, recalibration ensures accurate readings for optimal performance. To begin calibration, go to the Service menu on the touchscreen. Select Camera Calibration from the options. Park the car on a flat surface in a well-lit area. Follow the on-screen prompts to drive slowly while the system calibrates. This process ensures accurate sensor readings for optimal performance. Customize Autopilot to suit your driving preferences by accessing the Settings menu on your Tesla Model 3 touchscreen. Navigate to Controls, then select Autopilot to access the customization options. Adjust the maximum speed setting to limit how fast Autopilot will drive. This helps ensure compliance with your preferences and local speed limits. Choose your following distance from levels 1 through 7. Level 1 keeps a very close distance, while Level 7 provides more space. Select what feels comfortable and safe for your driving style. Experiment with response aggressiveness to balance smooth driving with quick reactions. Lower settings provide gentler acceleration and braking, while higher settings make Autopilot more responsive to traffic changes. Consider enabling speed limit mode to automatically adjust cruise control to match posted speed limits using GPS and camera data. This feature promotes safer and more compliant driving. It's essential to understand the legal and safety implications of using Autopilot and FSD. Always keep your hands on the wheel and your eyes on the road. Autopilot is classified as SAE Level 2 autonomy, meaning it requires active driver supervision. Tesla emphasizes that it is a driver assistance tool, not a replacement for human judgment. Be prepared to intervene if the system makes an error or encounters an unexpected situation. If you experience issues with Autopilot, such as phantom braking or inaccurate lane keeping, there are several steps you can take to resolve them. First, ensure your cameras are clean and unobstructed. Dirt or obstructions can cause false readings. If issues persist, recalibrate the cameras using the vehicle's service menu or follow Tesla's video tutorial. Next, check for software updates, as they often include bug fixes and performance improvements for Autopilot. If problems persist after these steps, contact Tesla service for professional assistance. Finally, keep an eye out for any recall notices related to Autopilot, as Tesla may issue updates to address potential safety concerns. Looking ahead to late 2025 and 2026, Tesla plans to improve Autopilot and FSD with future software updates, bringing even more seamless integration, safer features, and enhanced data privacy. Keep an eye out for new developments with software version V13. The upcoming V13 software, expected in Q2 2026, will introduce multi-vehicle coordination and predictive routing, potentially reducing energy use by 15% through optimized driving paths. Regulatory trends show the U.S. aiming for Level 4 autonomy approval by 2030, with Tesla leading in trials and supervised autonomy modes like FSD supervised. Market shifts indicate electric vehicles now comprise 60% of global new car sales, driving demand for advanced autopilot features. Technological evolution points toward full autonomy by 2028 to 2030. As autopilot technology continues to advance and evolve through software updates, stay updated on the latest features and capabilities.